I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Kingdoms app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Kingdoms app, or just click here on search. Then here add Kingdoms app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for Disney Magic Kingdoms. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.